Hello students, let us do the chapter Our Changing Earth, Geography, chapter 3, second part of this lesson regarding earthquakes. Earthquakes. The movement of the lithospheric plates, volcanic eruptions and faulting leads to vibrations which are felt as earthquakes on the surface of the earth. Earthquakes are sudden vibrations or violent tremors felt on the earth's surface due to internal forces. They strike suddenly. With high intensity, buildings can be toppled and life and property can be lost. See the picture here. If the tectonic plates collide each other, then this results in earthquake. And in the second picture, the point of focus, epicenter, fault and seismic waves we'll study now. Focus. The point inside the crust where the vibrations originate is called the focus. Epicenter. The place directly above the focus is called the epicenter. The strength of the earthquake decreases outwards from the epicenter. So the greatest damage is at the areas on and close to the epicenter. Seismic waves. The shock of the earthquake is felt most at and around this point of vibrations radiate outward in all directions from the focus in the form of seismic waves, and these waves are of three types. P waves, that is, they come and appear as longitudinal, S waves as transverse waves, and L waves as surface waves. Next, what is seismology? It is the study of the behavior of the earthquakes or seismic waves. Next, seismograph. What is seismograph? The instrument used to record the earthquake tremors is called seismograph. Richter scale. The scale used to measure the intensity of the seismic waves during the tremors is called Richter scale, and it was designed by Charles F. Richter, an American seismologist, in 1935. The numerical scale ranges is in between 0 to 9. Seismologists, earth scientists who are experts in the study of the patterns of earthquakes are called as seismologists. Earthquake case study. Historic earthquake. The highest magnitude earthquake recorded to date was the Chilean earthquake on 22nd May in 1960. It measured around 9.6 on the Richter scale. Earthquake rocks India, Pakistan. On 8 October 2005, an earthquake with epicenter in Muzaffarabad affected Jammu and Kashmir and was felt up to Delhi. It measured around 7.6 on the Richter scale and lasted over a minute. Nearly 5 million became homeless. Uri Valley and Baramulla were worst hit. Gujarat's Black Friday. Earthquake hits Bhuj. The Republic Day, 26th January in 2001, turned out to be a date with death for thousands of people in Gujarat. A major earthquake measuring between 6.9 and 7.9 on the Richter scale hit Bhuj, ravaging Bhuj, Anjar, Bachau, Gandhidham, Rupar and Ahmedabad. In Bhuj, over 90% of the buildings were destroyed by the 45-second quake, including the town's main hospital. Schools, buildings, hospitals, roads, railways were damaged. In Ahmedabad, 135 multi-storied buildings tumbled or split, mostly newly constructed ones. This reveals faulty construction of houses and buildings. Roads were damaged, railway disrupted. Some jetties in Kandla port were seriously damaged. Phone lines, water supply, and power station transmission lines were seriously damaged. What can be done? The Gujarat earthquake raised several questions about the nation's preparedness to cope up with such horrible human tragedies. It took 2 days for the government to begin rescue and relief operations. Some villages were not approached even 5 days later, but NGOs and social organizations and individuals rendered prompt service in some areas. A national committee on disaster management was set up to meet the rescue and relief operations, nation's preparedness to meet such calamities. What steps should be taken for preparedness by the people? The safe spots are under the strong table when an earthquake occurs, areas to stay away from fireplaces, glass windows, and coping up by being calm and face the disaster confidently. How we will come to know that earthquake is going to come? Observing and changing animal behavior like bears and snakes coming out of hibernation, fishes jumping out of water are some indications of an oncoming earthquake.